greatest assets are the power of the ring and stealth. If possible, we should remain undetected until we have tilted the odds in our favor.
When do I get to have me own court, where I can sit on a throne sipping mad blood all day?
These archers will be more than just our weapons. They will be our eyes.
What do you reckon the best way to kill them?
I like how this train hard in their own, so you barricade there and set the whole thing apart. You get right sweet.
No enemy in Mordor is safe from the power of my ring.
Yourselves at the fighting pit right now, watching a few eggs
That
get
river shrine could be a good place for executions. Train hard, you'll fight hard. And then maybe you can conquer a Gondorian city. Well, Bruz is running in the pit.
They are powerless to resist.
You heard the news about Minas Ithil, right? We're not...
Do not be too eager to deal out death. We can put these archers to use. The ring will give us an army, and then it will give us Mordor.
You globs better listen. I'm trying to teach you something here. A skill you'll need when you get to sacking cities.
Maybe I'll knock off early attack.
Plenty more cities like Minas Ithil to conquer. Get your drills right, or you'll miss out on the whole stinking...
Another arrow in our quiver.
I don't know what it was. Must have been nothing. I heard they got one of a sentry's napping. You globs better listen. I'm trying to teach you something here. A skill you'll need when you get to sacking cities.
Let us test our warriors.
You heard the news right from me!
Abdicate your will!
What got into those? Train hard, you'll join right, Lord! And then maybe you can conquer a Gondorian city. Get behind them! Enemies are right, Lord! Die! Now they're shooting at us! We're gonna fight you! This'll go quicker! Grave Walker's lurking about! Punch him down! What are you doing? He's come back! Right, Lord, guide my hand! Rush in, you big dog! Look out! We'll make you choke on those arrows! They'll carve you! Put on the sand! Now you die! Gonna bless you! Cease fire! Cease fire! You can't hide from me!
A promising start, but this is only the beginning. We require more warriors, stronger warriors. We will also require commanders, exceptional orcs who can more than simply serve as fodder.
But what of this forest? It calls to us.
We must not be distracted. is paramount.
You know what we're going to find in here, don't you?
As much as anyone can know.
Go! Go! It haunts us!
What creature haunts this forest?
Oh, Kanan is no creature. She is nature itself.
She calls us.
Talion, we must move with great caution.
Not you! She's picking us off, one by one!
That beasts come 100 strong.
Get out here and show yourself!
Pit to peak, enslaved our rivers and trees.
No!
I take it this is the work of Khan.
This is the forest of Kanan, and she will protect it with the full power of nature.
This forest is possessed by death as much as...
What is she? The cannibals? The ghouls? She's all of it.
Feed, you will feed 1,000 mouths.
Why do these beasts not attack us?
They hear her song. They are part of her as she is part of them. Yet they will defend. She is watching us.
No.
Cut me loose, Talk! I found it! The tree! She's the tree!
Spirit of Karnan is tree and beast, fang and claw, root and spear.
Well, that wasn't there before.
Changed and unlike this fleshling. Where is your rot? Your buddings? Do you grow? Do you wither? No. No. A lifeless beast are you, but no. For you die and die. Not lifeless, but deathless. A flesh-haunted thing.
Talion, we cannot defeat her.
What would you suggest I do?
Throw down your sword and kneel.
I will not kneel to this thing.
Keeper of the Wild! Kanan!
Who do you call to? is also nature.
In all its fury.
Can you tell it to stop?
One does not reason with the wind.
Die alone, we. Nature's tomb spanned sky and sea. We all die together. Fire to forest, fire to trees. Your ash will feed. We burn with you, and return will we.
Well, it seems this Karnin isn't as powerful.
Unleashed to rise and rise again. In a hole go you.
What have we unleashed?
The cry of the forests. The scream of the rivers.
Great spirit of Khan.
Cease all cry and clamor. You have woken Torgorot, cracked and creviced until now. I opened the Dark Lord. He stokes its flames. Forges cage like kindling for shattering fire to come. Burn you, burn we. A fire for all it will be.
What have we awoken?
Undead! Ringmaker, your forge sings. A crack across the land. Fire woken by a cold metal ring.
We hear your call. Allow us to help.
Yes, you will. You. A deathless beast. You. A flesh-haunted thing.
We will find Tor Goroth.
Go now. Your Balrog waits. He rises in doom shadow. Fight till death and rise again, you will fight. Soon. and soon, death will defeat undead.
It seems this ring has woken more than Sauron.
Yes, we must go to Golgoroth and deal with this power.
Orcs fight each other endlessly to climb the hierarchy.
Then we shall find the ones who rise to the top. They are who we want in our army.
Mordor has no shortage of seasoned warriors.
From them, we will build our army.
I've got you now!
You got your food.
Narn is overrun with orcs, perfect for our purpose.
I've had enough of your mouth, Bruz. So now I'm gonna kill you, for all these orcs to see.
Always said you were an optimist. Know what that is, mate? It's about sizing up a situation that's bloody impossible and saying, yeah, all right, I'll have a go. I'm exactly the same way.
I like him.
Yeah, come on, then. Never can have too many heads. Reckon you're going to skewer me? Nah, that little sword's good for a tickle, maybe. But you're gonna need more than that to take me down. That was nasty.
serve the Bright Lord now.
Bright Lord, Dark Lord, same thing really. It results me ripping spines out, which I like to do anyway, so either way's a win.
A fine addition to our army.
Name's Bruz. From here on out, I will be your shadow. No one gets to you without my say-so.
Don't worry about my enemies. They will all follow eventually.
You wanna plant your flag in Mordor, you'll need to do it deep. There's a fortress nearby. They say it's ruled by a two-headed troll big as a mountain. Deadly smart, which, I guess he'd have to be given the two heads. You take him down, you'll send a message to Sauron, and get yourself some nice new digs as part of the bargain.
I'm not going to do this alone. Gather your troops.
Will do. Ooh, just make sure you let me pop his heads off, won't ya?